Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Pokémon Go game from starting. First, download the free Pokémon Go application from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll create your unique trainer avatar, customizing its appearance to your liking. Next, Professor Willow will guide you to choose your very first partner Pokémon from a selection of 3. Then, familiarize yourself with the in-game map, which reflects your real-world location, showing Pokéstops, gyms, and wild Pokémon nearby. To catch a Pokémon, simply tap on one that appears on your map. This will take you to an encounter screen where you'll use your finger to swipe a Pokéball towards the Pokémon. Aim for a nice, great, or excellent throw for bonus experience points. You'll also want to visit Pokéstops, which are marked as blue cubes on your map. Spin the photo disc at these locations to receive valuable items such as more Pokéballs, potions, and eggs, which are essential for your journey. Gyms are important locations where you can battle other trainers' Pokémon. To challenge a gym, simply walk up to it and tap on it. During a battle, tap your screen to perform fast attacks and swipe left or right to dodge incoming attacks. When your charged attack meter is full, hold down on the screen to unleash a powerful move. You can also join forces with other players in raid battles to take down incredibly strong boss Pokémon, earning rare rewards and a chance to catch the boss. As you play, you'll collect 2 key resources, Candy and Stardust. Candy is specific to each Pokémon family and is primarily obtained by catching more of that species or transferring unwanted Pokémon to Professor Willow. Stardust is a universal resource earned from various activities. Use Candy to evolve your Pokémon, transforming them into more powerful forms with higher combat power. Both Candy and Stardust are used to power up your Pokémon, increasing their overall stats and making them formidable in battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.